Welcome to RG Biology tutorial. Today I am going to discussing about connective tissues. So now I want to talking about this is the topic today we are going to learn. What do you understand about that connective tissue? Actually this connective tissue mesodermal origin. It is originated from mesodermal layer. We know very well about the germ layers. Outer ectoderm, inner endoderm, middle mesoderm. So it is derived from mesodermology. And this connective tissue playing an important role in to connectives. I mean, it is a connective tissue. It is connecting different types of tissues, different types of parts of the body, like that, and all it is connected. And this tissue broadly classified into three types. What are the three types? What are the three types of connective tissue? These three types of connective tissues are: first one is loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. Second one is dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue. And the third one is specialized connective tissue or specialized connective tissue. Got it? Now let's focus about what is the loose connective tissue. First I want to discussing about these are the three types: one, two, three. Let me focus about one by one. Loose connective tissue broadly classified into areolar tissue, and second one is adipose tissue, areolar connective tissue and adipose tissue under loose connective tissue. Okay, and in this areolar connective tissue, what are the cells that we are going to find out? What are the cells that we have to notice under loose connective tissue or areolar connective tissue? In this areolar connective tissue, there are five types of cells we have to notice in that. First one, fibroblast cells. Fibroblast cells. These fibroblast cells releases three types of fibers. What are these three types of fibers? Namely, one is collagen fibers. Second one, elastic fibers. And the third one, reticular fibers. And each fiber is composed with respect to protein. The protein's names are, it is made up of with collagen protein. It is elastin, and this is reticulin. These are the proteins. And this is the first type of cells that we have to notice in areolar tissue. And the second type of cell name is, second type of cell of areolar tissue is mast cell. Mast cells. What are these mast cells? Actually, these mast cells are modified basophils. Modified basophils. That means, usually we know very well about the basophils. Basophils not only present in the blood, sometimes or if any emergency situations are happening, they are migrating from the blood vessels to ECF, extracellular fluid, through a process that is known as diapedesis. At the time, we call this basophil as a mast cell, and this mast cell secretes four types of products that are heparin, histamine, serotonin, and actually one more is bradykinin. These are the four products. You know very well about this heparin is an anticoagulant. It is an anticoagulant. And histamine and bradykinin are considered as vasodilators. They commonly called as vasodilators. I mean, swelling in the time of injuries. And the serotonin is itself considered as vasoconstrictor. Vasoconstrictor. Got it? So this is the second type of cell we completed here, areolar tissue. And the third type of cell name is macrophage or macrophages. What are these macrophages? These macrophages are modified monocytes. So these modified monocytes acts like as a their shape is going to transform like as an amoeba. That's why their shape is amoeboid shape. And these cells are having a kind of specific role that's name is phagocytosis. This is the third type of cells. And the fourth type of cell of areolar tissue is plasma cell. We are talking about that fourth type of cell is plasma cell. These are derived from B lymphocytes, and they produce antibodies. And last but not least, that is fifth type is adipocytes. They are fat storing cells. Adipocytes, they are fat storing cells. So this is about areolar tissue. I completed areolar tissue. And the next one I want to discussing about second type is adipose tissue. Under areolar tissue, we completed about fibroblasts, mast cells, and macrophages, plasma cells. Fifth type is adipocytes. We will discuss later about adipose tissue.